Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a pair of Nike slides that have broken straps on the outside. I'm going to be repairing these slides in front of you. I'll be using Selleys Liquid Nails, but you can use any construction adhesive or super glue, whatever you have lying around the house. The material of these slides is mainly rubber. First, I'm going to clean the area on the slides that have come off with methylated spirits. You can also use alcohol for this purpose. Once you have made sure that the area to be joined together is free from old glue and residue and completely dried off, you can start applying the Selleys Liquid Nails or your choice of heavy-duty glue. Here I am using a palette knife to apply the glue, but you can also use a knife or apply directly through the tube nozzle. Once I have applied the glue to both surfaces, I will allow them to dry for a few minutes before joining them together. I'll do the other slide the same way. Now you can join the two sides together and press hard. Scrape off any glue that oozes out. Use heavy objects, or in this case I will use the dumbbells to press on the freshly glued surfaces. Allow the joints to cure for 24 hours. Once cured and the glue is dried, you can use methylated spirit to remove the excess glue off the slides. You can use a sharp blade to make the job easier. As you can see, Selleys Liquid Nails has done the job and the slides are good as new. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.